The iPhone 17 is on the horizon, and it's likely to come with a price tag that's more than just a minor bump. This is the part most people miss. Analysts are predicting that Apple might raise prices for the first time in 7 years, with some models potentially costing $50 to $100 more than their predecessors. This isn't just about numbers. It's about the broader implications for consumers and the tech industry. Let's break down what's shaping this potential price increase and why it matters. Analysts say the iPhone 17 could see its first price hikes in years, driven by two main factors: tariffs and storage upgrades. Some models may cost up to $100 more, which is a significant shift from the previous iPhone 16. But here's where it gets controversial. Well, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 lineup at a major event on Tuesday. The details remain murky. Will the new models be slimmer? Or will they introduce a new Air version that replaces the larger Plus model? Bloomberg reports that Apple plans to launch a slimmer Air version this year, replacing the Plus, though the exact price and features are still under wraps. The price increase isn't universal. Morgan Stanley analysts predict a modest price jump for the first time in 7 years, but they're cautious about a full-scale zhangjia. Instead, they suggest Apple will eliminate the lowest-cost 128GB option for the Pro model, starting the Pro at $1,099 for 256GB. This change would mean the cheapest iPhone 16 Pro now costs $999, a move that's been met with mixed reactions. Meanwhile, Jefferies analysts anticipate a $50 price hike, a 4% to 5% increase from 2024 to offset tariff costs. They argue that this adjustment won't affect the base model, but will impact the Pro, Pro Max, and rumored slimmer iPhone models. The real question is, why are prices rising? One theory is that tariff changes could make U.S. iPhones more expensive to produce. Apple has faced $800 million in tariffs last quarter, though an exemption for some tariffs was announced in August. The company has also been working to diversify its supply chain, shifting manufacturing away from China to countries like India. But with these changes, could the price increase be a necessary trade-off for greater efficiency? For consumers, the stakes are high. If you're thinking about upgrading, you might end up paying more than you did before. The iPhone 17 lineup is set to debut at a major event, and while the details are unclear, the potential price hikes are already creating buzz. Whether this is a smart move or a strategic gamble remains to be seen. And here's the thing. Experts are split on whether this is a one-time bump or a long-term trend. Will Apple's pricing strategy reflect the challenges of global supply chains, or will it be a sign of a broader market shift? So, are you ready to pay more for the latest iPhone? Or do you think Apple should keep prices steady to maintain its competitive edge? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. After all, this is the part where the conversation really begins.